Imagine a world where construction is faster, more cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. Welcome to the world of AAC, autoclaved aerated concrete. In our rapidly changing world, innovation is crucial. One such innovation that's revolutionizing the construction industry is AAC, autoclaved aerated concrete. AAC is a versatile, durable material that's not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. It's a material that's light yet strong, easy to work with yet resilient. Imagine a building block that offers excellent thermal insulation and fire resistance and is also resistant to pests and mold. That's AAC for you. And the best part? It helps reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions, making it a green choice for builders and developers worldwide. Now let's talk about a company that's leading the charge in the AAC industry, the MHE Group. MHE isn't just another player in the field. They are a global force with projects spanning continents. They have the knowledge, the experience, and the expertise to handle AAC projects from start to finish. The MHE Group doesn't just supply AAC blocks and panels. They also offer comprehensive services, including factory installation and project management. They can help with design engineering and ensure the quality control of AAC blocks and panels. But where MHE really shines is in their specialization in load-bearing AAC blocks. While most companies use AAC as infill material, MHE Group has honed its skills in creating sturdy, load-bearing AAC blocks, a testament to their innovative spirit and technical prowess. Their global presence means that they can provide these services anywhere in the world. From high-rise buildings to single homes and commercial buildings, MHE Group has the solutions. So, when you think of AAC, think of the versatility, the durability, the cost-effectiveness, and the environmental benefits. But most importantly, think of the company that's making it all possible. In this vast landscape of AAC, one company stands out from the rest, the MHE Group. MHE Group, with its origin rooted back to 1986, did not reach the pinnacle overnight. It was a journey marked by resilience, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Driven by German precision and technology, MHE Group has created a story of strength and ingenuity, just like the most iconic structures in the world. Our journey began in the humble confines of a small office with a team, united by a shared vision. We recognized the potential of autoclaved aerated concrete, or AAC, and we were determined to harness it. The road was not always smooth. We faced challenges, as any trailblazer does. We grappled with the intricacies of design engineering, the rigors of quality control, and the complexities of project management, all the while guided by German precision and technology. But we did not back down. We saw each challenge as an opportunity to strengthen our expertise, to refine and to deepen our understanding of the AAC industry. As we persevered, we started to see our efforts pay off. We began to complete projects, not just locally, but globally. From Asia to the Americas, we've been able to bring the benefits of AAC to real estate developments of all kinds. High-rise buildings, single homes, commercial buildings, you name it, we've done it. And with each project, we've left our mark quality and excellence. But what truly sets us apart is our specialization in load-bearing AAC blocks. While most companies use AAC as infill material, we saw its potential for a more substantial role. This unique offering has not only differentiated us from the competition, but it has also opened up new opportunities for innovation and growth. And the journey continues. We remain steadfast in our commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AAC. We are always looking for ways to improve, to innovate, and to provide even better solutions for our clients. If you're an investor looking to make a mark, to contribute to something bigger, MHE Group invites you to join us. Let's redefine the future of construction together. Let's create structures that are not just buildings but solutions. Let's revolutionize the way our world is built. Join MHE Group in its mission to revolutionize the construction industry. Together we can build a greener, more efficient world.